Hello everyone, we're Scantist, a Singapore-based cybersecurity startup focused on application security. Software applications are everywhere, from websites to mobile apps to smart solutions and IoT devices. Businesses rely on applications to deliver value to their customers. These applications need to be secure, but securing them can be a challenge. With new languages, platform, and functionality, applications are constantly evolving. Couple this with a shortage of time and expertise, as well as a growing list of threats, and application level breaches are just waiting to happen. And happen they do. From Panama Papers to Equifax to Heartbleed, some of the most catastrophic breaches exploit vulnerabilities in the application layer. Our solutions scan software applications for vulnerabilities at the source code and binary level. Our software composition analysis offers a fast and effective way of finding known vulnerabilities, whereas our smart fuzzer uncovers unknown vulnerabilities at runtime. Our solutions reduce the cost and effort associated with managing vulnerabilities by an order of magnitude. We are able to do this by offering greater accuracy, comprehensive coverage across languages and platforms, as well as by ensuring ease of use with integrated development plugins. This puts us firmly ahead of the pack, but don't just take our word for it. We have over a dozen customers across government, enterprise, as well as software development houses in Singapore and China who have voted for us with their wallets. Speaking of wallets, we price ourselves extremely competitively. Our annual SaaS subscriptions start at $2,000 with an average deal size in the $30,000 to $120,000 range. This means that our solutions offer incredible value, which is why we are on track to do $2.1 million in 2020 revenue despite COVID challenges. Scantist's ambitions as a company go beyond application security. We plan to be the market leaders for the greater software intelligence space, offering solutions that cover security, architecture, and quality on an expansive and aggressive roadmap over the next few years. We have the team that will be needed to execute on this roadmap. This team at Scantist comprises of business veterans and tech innovators who among them have two successful exits, 500 plus publications, and decades of experience delivering enterprise solutions. But we wouldn't be here without the support of our investors. Scantist has raised $2.7 million so far from Credence Partners and Reconext, among other investors. We are fortunate to count the likes of Mr. Inderjeet Singh and Mr. Koh Boon Hui on our investor and advisory boards. For the next part of our journey, we are looking at you. Scantist is looking to raise $5 million early next year to acquire its next set of enterprise and SME customers. We intend to use the funds to strengthen our sales and distribution channels, as well as to continue to expand our product offerings. We hope you will join us for the journey and look forward to talking to you. Thank you.